Looking at the global electrolytic capacitor situation that is currently prone to hinder the production and supply of many necessary items, Panasonic Industry is offering an ideal substitute to avoid any supply issues: OSCON capacitors. OSCON is Panasonic's family of aluminum solid capacitors with highly conductive polymer. They are known for coming with a super low ESR, excellent noise reduction capability, and frequency characteristics, as well as a long lifespan. Thanks to its solid electrolyte, the ESR remains stable even at low temperatures. In short, OSCON are high-quality capacitors available with reliable lead times, making them a relevant alternative for both electrolytic capacitors and MLCC in many industrial sectors, now more than ever. Covering a high voltage range, OSCON capacitors are suitable for almost all applications, except for the automotive industry, a proven and reliable all-rounder capacitor. What would be the advantages of using OSCON technology in your designs? Let's have a closer look and compare two specific part numbers with the shown specs. Taking this LED driver lighting application as a case study, you'll discover that it is possible to replace 3 conventional electrolytic capacitors in 3 different ways. You can replace those 3 ECAPs with either 3, 2, or even just 1 OSCON capacitor, being significantly smaller and effectively helping to miniaturize your design. As another result, you get more stable ESR behavior temperature range, between 0 and minus 30 degrees Celsius. This is ideal for outdoor applications. For another example, let's look at this surveillance camera, in which the motor driver for panning is one of the major noise sources in the camera circuit. This makes ESR behavior at different temperatures play a major role for the quality of the recorded picture. Examining the voltage noise of the motor driver and comparing that noise influence of ECAP and OSCON, the difference is obvious. The image quality of ECAP is apparently suffering at minus 20 degrees Celsius, while OSCON turns out stable without any image noise. Finally, Panasonic Industry OSCON capacitors are clearly outperforming conventional electrolytic capacitors in terms of endurance. While both start with a similar initial endurance at a higher temperature, OSCON's endurance can increase drastically as the temperature drops. For every 20-degree drop in the operating temperature of the application, the lifetime of OSCON can be estimated 10 times higher than specified in the datasheet. Get in touch with our specialists at capacitor@eu.panasonic.com.
Panasonic Industry.